that by that ski trail, yeah.
Yeah, there's two of them. They claim that bears are starting to move around here, so
Yeah.
I'm hoping to catch one.
Imagine they're really looking for something to eat.
Yeah. There's a lot of them, a lot of turkey tracks here. Yeah, I thought we had like a fish or something coming out. He's lost by himself, huh? Female.
Yeah, she doesn't know which way to go.
Yeah, trying to get the non-deepest part. God damn, soft road. How the fuck you telling me coming down here?
I'm actually surprised this road is as good as it is. I thought it would be worse.
Yeah!
Now, if it gets too bad, you turn around instead of just plowing through anything like you used to.
Well, I used to have a four-wheel drive truck too.
I mean, way back when.
Oh, way back when.
When we had them old junker cars.
Well, yeah. A little easier to fix it.
We leave mufflers all over the place.
Shitting out mufflers, huh?
Oh, gotta run Iron River and get another muffler. Since we've been
Did
there.
a lot of logging back then.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of people look like they've been down here.
Yeah, this is very well traveled. Good fishing there or what?
But there's something waiting
Yeah,
there.
there's something there.
So, get your camera going.
Should I just walk down there?
Yeah, I'm going to stay back here. Dead end.
Way out here, they put a freaking sign, so this must go through somewhere.
I got to.
Yeah.
We'll find out. Otto.
Oh, this is the Otto Road?
Yeah, we might end up turning around like that one time we had to.
We might. Ooh.
So far, so good.
Climbing the mountain. Oh,
Yeah. Get to the peaks.
oh.
Whole lot of shaking going on.
Yeah.
What the hell? Somebody's walking? Yeah, he's been marking.
Painting the trees. Where the hell's this vehicle?
Oh, we're in the park down there.
I guess so.
It's getting better, see? It's better.
Wow. They must sit back and forth here with their ATVs a lot.
Yeah. Fuck Albert did. motherfucker. I got my glasses. I can't read. Don't fall down that. Nope. Here we go. Woo!
Oh.
Now another one. Fuck me. That's not bad at all.
Thank God I went pee is all I can say.
No shit, huh? You've been pissing all over your seat.
Oh, there. Get through it.
I got a little breather from it. Yeah, it was fun.
Right, the closer we get to the end, the worse it gets.
We're almost out.
Yeah. A couple miles yet.
That's that. Ah!
What?
No windshield wash.
Oh shit, we forgot.
Yeah, we even got to get. Now you got. I can't do it because it'll smear it now.
Yeah, we have to ride with these shit spots.
Yeah. Hang on, my love. You strapped in good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh boy.
You didn't know back in the younger days we never even thought about putting seatbelts on.
Yeah.
Come on, dig, bitch! Dig! There we go. Hang on.
Woohoo! My God, we gotta be getting close to the end.
Never! You want to turn here?
Where the hell is something there to turn?
Snowmobile trails.
Right up here,
Ooh, I think I see 52 a coming, a rolling around her bend.
Yeah, it's quite a ride.
Oh, I ain't done with you yet, lady. There goes 52. So now, what have we learned today? We can get through there. I think we come running. Should be cutting over. This is his house. See him anymore?
Yeah. He's right there, right alongside us. Oh, look at on the road up there.
There he is. Hi. How you doing? Look at him.
An artiste at work.
No artiste.
Well, we happened to stumble across this Michael Bust Lake, state natural area. And it looks like there's actually a trail, so we're going to check it out, see what the lake looks like. First, we need some eyeball juice. Crazy, is that a big tank or what?
I got a whole boat, 2 of these.
Oh, wow.
Actually, 1.5. More if you miss.
A lot more if you miss a lot, huh? Yeah, then we can clean our muddy window.
What the fuck is that?
You touched the refrigerator.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're looking for your sticks? Got them? So we are somewhere by the town of Iola, wherever the hell that is.
Down by Scandinavia.
It's in Wapaka County, I do believe.
I want to know for sure. Did I fill my pants up or what?
You did, I can see it.
Oh, you're sick.
You got a big bump on your butt.
Not no more. Why? Tell me why I put up with me.
Okay, let's check this out. Michael Bust Lake. That's kind of weird. It's almost hot today. Obviously, this used to be a road.
Obviously.
Probably just goes down to a boat landing. But why would they close it off then?
There's your pond.
Oh, I hear some birds, ducks and such.
Ah, clackers.
Oh, the road just goes to a trail. Oh, this lake is drying up.
Yeah, big time.
Wow. What is that? Maybe frogs?
What?
Maybe that's frogs?
Frost.
Frogs.
Frogs?
I thought it was ducks, but I'm thinking maybe it's frogs.
That's frogs, definitely. Did you bring your phone?
No.
I didn't bring mine either.
Oh, I just assumed you would bring yours.
So did I, but I forgot. What?
I keep hearing noises over there.
Yeah, hillbilly noises.
It's like somebody's rowing a boat or something.
Sounds like it. But then again, noise patrol.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like this lake is drying up too.
Yeah.
A lot of them are. See more and more of that. Oh, trail goes through the woods there.
Yeah.
I said trail goes through the woods.
Yeah.
They don't have no maps or nothing. You don't know how big this area is or how far the trail goes or.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to have some of the info.
These are old gnats on our hill.
Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, they were really bad at that other place. And another trail.
Hell is that?
Red-winged blackbird. Pretty. So that other trail goes, looks like it went up along that ridge around the lake there. There's no info about how big this natural area is, where the trails go, or how long they are, so we're just gonna check out the lake and go search for a toity. Surprised there's no ducks or geese here. Very quiet. Wisconsin has over 600 state natural areas, but some of them you can't even get into. Some of them have trails, but most of them don't have established trails. So you just kind of wander around and explore, which is good. Don't always need trails. Ooh, it is actually getting hot. Whew. Got them little bugs down there biting me.
Oh yeah, it's getting warmer.
Yeah. Oh, so that was a nice little walk. Yeah, you never know. You might find a gorgeous rock in the place you least expect it.
Oh, fuck yeah. These. That one's
Yeah, that
nice.
one's pretty. Yeah, that is. It's got a lot of sparklies in it.
And this one.
Yeah, another nice one.